Well, this time of year, we're usually talking about cold and flu, but there is another illness spreading fast.
Yeah, whooping cough is making a comeback. Why is that? Ireland Viscount found out and joins us live in the studio. Ireland.
Alicia and Dennis, health officials say the number of cases will continue to rise if people aren't more careful.
Whooping cough is very contagious. It's a bacteria called pertussis. It can affect all ages, but it's most serious in young children, particularly infants.
Across the United States, the CDC shows more than 25,000 cases of whooping cough have been reported so far this year. Last year, it was a little over 5,000.
Pennsylvania is leading all the other states.
With almost 2,600 cases, that's 10 times more than last year. The question, why?
First of all, Pennsylvania has a number of cities, high population density,
including Pittsburgh and Philadelphia. CDC experts say missed vaccinations during the pandemic could also play a part. Another reason.
During the pandemic, we were following our regular precautions like, hand hygiene, masking, and if you were coughing, you were staying away from general public. That also helped prevent the spread of not just the COVID infection, but other respiratory infections as well.
Both doctors say whooping cough peaks every few years. To date, Penn State Health has had 16 positive cases this year. UPMC couldn't provide a specific number, but has noticed trends.
So we saw it concentrated in particular schools. There would be an outbreak. There'd be one case in the school, and then there would be a bunch of cases afterwards. We saw it concentrated in particular areas. The Carlisle area had a whole bunch of cases for a little while.
Vaccination is the best way to prevent whooping cough. Doctors say teenagers and adults should get a booster.
Every 10 years.
Dr. Goldman says symptoms for whooping cough can be different for kids and adults.
Be aware that it can present not in the classic way with a fit of coughing, but can present as a chronic cough, especially as an adult. A kid will have long bouts of coughing. The coughing is often terminated when they throw up.
And even though whooping cough cases are high, Dr. Goldman says there is no need to panic. Alicia.
All right, thanks, Ireland.